Have you ever wondered why your Google ads don't appear when you're actively searching and Googling for your own business? So you're running an ad campaign on Google, you're typing in the keywords, and you're feeling really frustrated because you can't see your own ads appear in Google. You're spending all this money, you're seeing money going out, you're seeing the numbers tick, but you can't see them. Why does this happen? Well, there are a couple of common reasons why this happens. I will share with you today because I get asked this question all the time. Now, the first common reason that your ads might not be appearing is because they're in review. When you set up an ad, they don't automatically turn on. They go through a review process with Google. So the ads might be in review. The second reason is your location targeting. You can set where your ads are seen. And so if your house or where you're doing your searches is outside this location settings, your ads aren't going to show because you're not in the area that you've set your ads to be seen in. Does that make sense? And the third most common reason is when you set a daily budget, say $20 a day, Google will run your ads up until $20 a day is spent. So perhaps you're searching in the middle of the night or after dinner and your ads aren't showing up because your daily spend has been spent and there's no more money to spend till the very next day. Now, JR Digital is a Google Ads partner, which means we've done enough ad campaigns, we've done our education to be given the badge of approval by Mr. Google himself. So if you're interested in an expert team running your Google Ads campaign, book a call with me and let's see if we're a good fit. Until next time, friends, bye for now.